Are you looking for the best mobility scooter to regain your independence and travel comfortably? In this video, we'll be counting down the 5 best mobility scooters available today. Whether you need a lightweight travel scooter, a powerful long-range model, or a comfortable everyday ride, we've got options to fit every need and budget. We've included links to all the products in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and more details. Now, let's get started and find the perfect mobility scooter for you. Number 1. Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter. After using the Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter for daily errands, outdoor walks, and travel, I found it to be a dependable mobility solution that balances comfort, portability, and ease of use. It is designed for adults and seniors who need extra mobility support without sacrificing convenience. The first thing I noticed was how stable the 4-wheel design feels. Whether I was driving across sidewalks, parking lots, or indoor floors, the scooter remained balanced and easy to control. The flat-free 8-inch tires handled uneven surfaces better than I expected, giving me confidence while moving around outdoors. The seat is one of the most comfortable features. The padded seat and backrest provide good support during longer rides. I especially like the swivel seat, which made getting on and off the scooter much easier. The adjustable seat height and flip-up armrests also helped me find a comfortable riding position. Performance was solid for everyday use. The scooter reaches speeds up to 3.7 miles per hour and offers a driving range of up to 12.4 miles per charge. For shopping trips, appointments, and neighborhood outings, I found the battery life more than sufficient for a full day of use. One feature that really stands out is portability. The scooter quickly disassembles into 4 separate pieces, making it much easier to transport in a vehicle. I was able to load it into a trunk without too much difficulty, and reassembly only took a few minutes. The control panel is simple and user-friendly. The speed dial, forward and reverse controls, battery indicator, horn, and headlight are all easy to access. Even first-time users should be able to learn the controls quickly. I also appreciated the included front basket. It provided convenient storage for personal items, groceries, or small bags while traveling around town. Pros: stable 4-wheel design for added safety. Comfortable padded swivel seat. Adjustable seat height and armrests. Up to 12.4 miles of driving range. Easy-to-use control panel. Disassembles into 4 pieces for transport. Flat-free tires for indoor and outdoor use. Includes convenient front storage basket. Headlight and horn for added safety. Strong 265-pound weight capacity. Cons: top speed is slower than some larger scooters. Total weight is fairly heavy before disassembly. Best suited for moderate terrain rather than rough trails. Battery range may vary depending on rider weight and conditions. Number 2. AXADA 4-wheel mobility scooter. After using the AXADA 4-wheel mobility scooter for daily transportation, shopping trips, and outdoor use, I found it to be a comfortable and capable mobility solution. The combination of a powerful motor, long battery range, and lightweight design makes it a practical choice for seniors and adults who need reliable mobility assistance. The first thing I noticed was the scooter's smooth performance. The 300W motor provides consistent power for both indoor and outdoor travel. I used it on sidewalks, paved paths, and parking lots, and it handled each surface with ease. The climbing ability also helped when navigating small inclines and ramps. One of the biggest advantages is the 15-mile driving range. During my testing, I was able to complete multiple errands and outdoor activities without worrying about recharging. The 24V12Ah battery delivers dependable performance for everyday use. Comfort is another area where this scooter performs well. The 360-degree swivel seat makes getting on and off much easier, especially in tight spaces. I also appreciated the adjustable seat height and width adjustable armrests, which allowed me to customize the seating position for longer rides. The LED dashboard is simple and easy to understand. Battery status, speed control, and directional controls are clearly displayed. Even first-time users should have no trouble learning how to operate the scooter. Portability is surprisingly good considering its size. The lightweight aluminum alloy frame helps reduce overall weight, and the foldable design makes transportation and storage more manageable. It can fit into larger vehicle trunks and storage areas when folded. I also found the included basket very useful. It provided enough room for groceries, personal items, or small bags, making everyday errands more convenient. Safety features are well thought out. The LED headlight improves visibility in low light conditions, and the manual mode option allows the scooter to be pushed when the battery is depleted. Pros: powerful 300W motor for smooth performance. Up to 15 miles of driving range per charge. Comfortable 360-degree swivel seat. Adjustable seat height and armrests. Lightweight aluminum alloy construction. Foldable design for easier transport. User-friendly LED dashboard. LED headlight for added safety. Includes practical storage basket. Supports up to 300 pounds. Cons: still relatively heavy at 86 pounds. Folding requires some effort. Top speed may feel limited for some users. Large size may be difficult in very tight indoor spaces. Number 3. Sugogo Lightweight Mobility Scooter. After using the Sugogo Lightweight Mobility Scooter for daily errands, travel, and outdoor outings, I found it to be one of the most travel-friendly mobility scooters I have tested. Its lightweight design, removable lithium battery, and quick folding frame make it especially appealing for users who need mobility support without the bulk of traditional scooters. The first thing that impressed me was the weight. At only 43 pounds, this scooter feels significantly lighter than most mobility scooters on the market. Loading it into a vehicle was much easier than I expected, and the foldable design allowed me to store it without taking up much space. The removable lithium battery is another major advantage. The battery itself weighs only about 5 pounds, making charging much more convenient. I could remove it and charge it separately without moving the entire scooter. The airline-friendly battery design also makes this model attractive for travelers and cruise passengers. Performance was surprisingly strong for such a lightweight scooter. The 270W brushless motor provided smooth acceleration and enough power to handle sidewalks, paved paths, and moderate inclines. During testing, the scooter climbed small hills confidently and maintained stable performance throughout the ride. The driving range of up to 12.4 miles proved sufficient for most daily activities. I used it for shopping trips, appointments, and outdoor walks without worrying about running out of power. The top speed of 6.2 miles per hour also felt noticeably faster than many entry-level mobility scooters. Comfort is better than expected for a compact model. The seat feels stable, and the flip-up armrests make getting on and off easy. I also appreciated the front basket and rear storage box, which provided useful space for carrying personal items and groceries. Safety features add extra confidence while driving. The bright LED headlight improves visibility, while the electromagnetic braking system responds quickly when stopping. The anti-tip wheels and flat-free tires also contribute to a secure ride on different surfaces. One of my favorite features is how quickly the scooter folds. It only takes a few simple steps, making it ideal for travel, day trips, and storing in smaller spaces. Pros: extremely lightweight at only 43 pounds. Folds quickly for transport and storage. Removable lithium battery for easy charging. Airline and cruise-friendly design. Up to 12.4 miles of driving range. Faster top speed of 6.2 miles per hour. Powerful 270W brushless motor. Front basket and rear storage box included. Anti-tip wheels for added safety. Supports riders up to 300 pounds. Cons: smaller seat may feel compact for some users. Less cushioning than larger full-size scooters. Storage basket is limited for larger items. Best suited for everyday travel rather than rough terrain. Number 4. WalkFeel 4-wheel mobility scooter 400 lb capacity. After using the WalkFeel 4-wheel mobility scooter for daily transportation, neighborhood rides, shopping trips, and outdoor activities, I found it to be a comfortable and capable mobility solution for adults and seniors who need extra support and independence. Its heavy-duty construction, high weight capacity, and long driving range make it well suited for everyday use. The first thing that stood out to me was the sturdy build quality. The reinforced steel frame feels solid and durable, giving me confidence while riding. Unlike lightweight scooters that can feel unstable, this model feels secure even when traveling over uneven sidewalks and outdoor surfaces. The adjustable seating system adds a lot of comfort. The padded seat and supportive backrest provided good support during longer rides. I also appreciated the adjustable armrests, which allowed me to customize the fit for better comfort and easier entry and exit. One of the biggest advantages is the 400-pound weight capacity. The scooter feels designed for a wide range of users without sacrificing stability. Even when carrying personal items in the included basket, performance remains smooth and balanced. The battery performance was impressive during my testing. The scooter offers up to 20 miles of driving range on a full charge, which was more than enough for errands, community travel, and recreational rides. I also liked the detachable battery design because it made charging more convenient. Safety features are another highlight. The bright LED headlight improves visibility in low light conditions, while the rear-view mirrors provide additional awareness of surroundings. The electromagnetic braking system responds smoothly and helps maintain control when slowing down or stopping. Despite its heavy-duty design, the scooter includes a folding mechanism for easier storage. While it is not as compact as travel scooters, the folding feature helps reduce the space required when storing it in a garage or transport vehicle. Pros: heavy-duty 400-pound weight capacity. Strong and durable reinforced steel frame. Comfortable padded seat and backrest. Adjustable armrests for personalized comfort. Up to 20 miles of driving range per charge. Detachable battery for convenient charging. LED headlight and rear-view mirrors for added safety. Stable four-wheel design with anti-tip protection. Folding feature for easier storage. Cons: heavier than lightweight travel scooters. Requires more storage space than compact models. Not as portable as fully disassemblable scooters. Number 5. Eldryvon 4-Wheels Electric Mobility Scooter. After using the Eldryvon 4-Wheels Electric Mobility Scooter for daily errands, neighborhood rides, shopping trips, and outdoor travel, I found it to be a practical and comfortable mobility solution. The combination of a powerful motor, detachable battery, rotating seat, and dual basket design makes it a convenient option for seniors and adults who need reliable transportation. The first feature that caught my attention was the detachable battery. Charging is simple because I can remove the battery and charge it separately without moving the entire scooter. This design adds convenience, especially for users who may not have easy access to an outdoor power outlet. Performance was impressive during my testing. The 350W motor provided smooth acceleration and enough power to handle sidewalks, paved paths, and moderate inclines. The scooter can reach speeds of up to 7 miles per hour, which felt quick enough for daily travel while still maintaining a safe and comfortable ride. Comfort is another strong point. The height-adjustable seat offers good support, and the armrests provide additional comfort during longer rides. I particularly like the rotating seat, which made getting on and off the scooter much easier. This feature can be especially helpful for seniors or anyone with limited mobility. The dual basket setup adds a level of practicality that many scooters lack. The front and rear baskets provided plenty of storage space for groceries, personal items, and small travel essentials. I found this very useful during shopping trips and daily errands. Safety features also help build confidence while riding. The front anti-collision bar, anti-tip wheels, headlight, and backup horn provide extra protection and visibility. The controls are simple to understand, making the scooter easy to operate even for first-time users. Storage and transportation are relatively easy thanks to the foldable and disassemblable design. The scooter breaks down into several pieces, making it more manageable when loading it into a vehicle or storing it at home. Pros: powerful 350W motor for reliable performance. Detachable battery for convenient charging. Comfortable height-adjustable rotating seat. Dual front and rear baskets for extra storage. Simple and user-friendly controls. Good 15-mile driving range per charge. Safety features including headlight and anti-tip wheels. Foldable and easy to disassemble design. Supports up to 300 pounds. Cons: heavier than ultralight travel scooters. 15-mile range may be limiting for extended outings. Assembly and disassembly take some time initially.